Alright, what's up everybody? This is Ride Must Comment here with y'all another video. This is part 2 of part 1. Today I have a MK96 Wells sniper rifle. This is my personal sniper rifle that I use over at Airsoft and hopefully over at AR-15's new outdoor facility. I've heard it's okay since they built it, but today I'm gonna be demonstrating to y'all what FPS it shoots. Mine personally, it shoots at 515 because I upgraded a spring, and I'm shooting 20 grams when it should be shooting like 28s, 32s, and I had to get new internals, like a new bolt because my other bolt broke, and I still had to pay Jimmy 25 bucks because he gave me that part, and I got a 20x4 zoom on here, and well, let's get started. That's the clip, but it's a 30-round clip. I shot some of it before I started the video, but it's a pretty neat sniper rifle. I recommend it. It's 110, 160, but I bought this off of Jimmy for 100 because he bought it off of somebody else, and it's still a pretty good gun. I used it twice, and that was it. But I recommend this for beginners. It's still a badass gun. Pretty good. It's fucking straight. And it has really no hop up. Even the hop up adjustments, you need an Allen key because it's in here, and I think you need a 2mm, I think, for it. And I didn't buy this with the scope or anything on it. I had to buy the scope separate. The scope didn't come with height rings, so I think I was shooting this blind for 2 weeks, and then I got this, and I haven't been out since. But I recommend this a lot. But shout out to Nav, basically everybody. Navrich is the one. I saw his videos, and I'm like, oh damn, sniping's fun. It's actually pretty neat. And I've wanted to be a sniper since my stepdad was a sniper in the Marines. So I was like, I want to do what he does. So I'm joining the Marines after I get out of high school. Well, going to college. And then from there, me and my friend Connor, we're going into college. We're doing 2 to 4 years. After that, then we're joining the Marines from boot camp, and we're probably gonna get shipped off. I promised his girl that I bring him back home no matter what. But yeah, thank you guys for supporting me. Give this channel shout outs everywhere if y'all can, and I'll see you all on the next one. Peace out.